Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to view saved payment methods on your Google Chrome web browser. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So what I have to do is open up Chrome and select the three-dotted icon up at the top right. Go ahead and select that, and then go down and select where it says Passwords and Autofill, and then select where it says Google Password Manager. At this point, any passwords that were received on the Chrome browser would be listed here, and you could edit or access them by selecting the three-dotted icon next to it. And you may have to enter in your computer password in order to access the actual encrypted passwords on here. And that's pretty much it. So, as always, thank you for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.